Hello, today I will show you how to bypass the lock screen of the Redmi phone. First, we turn off the phone. Then click on the buttons shown in the video. When you notice that a logo appeared on the screen, remove your finger on the device lock button and continue to press the plus button. Then choose the second option from the list. The first option was chosen by pressing the shutdown button. Then choose the second option from the list. Then keep pressing the secret shutdown device. I hope you like this simple explanation. If you like it, do not forget about me. I like and participate in this channel. Thank you. If you forgot your private email, there is a video below this video explaining how to bypass your Google account. Or click on this notice.